I'm going to show you how to download and install Higgsfield AI on your mobile. So, for example, I'm using an Android phone. I'm going to open up the Play Store, use a search here, and just simple type in Higgsfield. Once you start to type it in, you'll find Higgsfield AI. And so you can find it here. You can tap on it and click and install. Now, this is super fast. You will see that it currently downloaded already, and now it's installed, and now I'm going to click and open. Now you can easily sign in with your account. So if you have an account already, just simple hover over your profile in the upper right, and from here you want to go ahead and just click on settings. Here you want to go ahead and click and continue with Google, and ensure that you select the current account that you have for your profile. So I'm going to scroll down here, choose my account where I have my unlimited plan, and you can see right away that it now shows my user ID. I am now in it, and I'm now in my pro. And as you can look at the top right, you can see it says pro. It means that I'm in my account and I am in pro. And that's it.